In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with the Wayfair affiliate program through the CJ Affiliate Network. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to expand your portfolio, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to begin earning commissions. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for an account with CJ Affiliate. CJ, short for Commission Junction, is one of the most popular affiliate marketing networks, connecting a wide range of businesses and affiliates across the globe. To get started, head over to their website and look for the registration section. Follow the prompts to create your account, providing necessary details such as your name, email, and payment preferences. Remember, choosing a strong password is crucial to keep your account secure. Once your CJ account is ready, the next step is to apply for the Wayfair affiliate program. You'll find this option within the CJ network. Wayfair is well known for its extensive selection of home goods, so it's a fantastic opportunity for affiliates in the home improvement or lifestyle niche. Navigate to the Advertisers section and search for Wayfair. When you find it, click on the link to see more details about their affiliate program. The application process usually involves a quick review of your website or promotional methods to ensure they align with Wayfair's values and target audience. So be sure to have a solid online presence to boost your chances of approval. After submitting your application, patience is key while you wait for approval. Once you're approved, it's time to dive into the rich resources Wayfair provides to their affiliates. You'll have access to a variety of affiliate links and creatives, such as banners and product images, all accessible through the CJ platform. Take your time exploring these options to see which best suit your marketing strategy. Effective use of these tools can drive more traffic and higher conversions. Now, it's time to share your affiliate links. Think about where they will be most effective, whether it be on your website, through engaging blog content, or across your social media channels. Sharing products that resonate with your audience will boost your credibility and increase your chances of earning commissions. When incorporating these links, aim for seamless integration into your content so they feel natural rather than overly promotional. Lastly, monitoring your performance is crucial for success. Using the CJ dashboard, you'll be able to track clicks, conversions, and any commissions you earn from your promotional activities. This data can provide valuable insights, helping you tweak your strategies for optimal results. Pay attention to the trends and adjust your approach as needed, always looking for ways to improve your outreach and engagement. With these steps, you're well on your way to leveraging the Wayfair affiliate program to its fullest potential. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your affiliate marketing journey.